Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Aerofoot flying shoes, a recently popular video that has got really viral on the social media platform. That is about the product that is named as Aerofoot and that will let you fly in the air. So now let's dive in and find out, is it actually a legit video or it's just an overhyped fake video. As you can see, this video has got really popular on different social media platforms and a lot of people are talking about this. And this is the video of the Aerofoot that has got really viral on all the social media, and a lot of news channels also talking about it. So once I try to dive deeper, I got to know that this viral circulation on social media and promoting Aerofoot flying sneakers shows a piece of conceptual digital art, and upon the investigation they got to know the footage doesn't show a real functioning product but is rather digitally created content. And this video was actually created by an artificial intelligence, and it was like 99.9% symbols of an AI video when it was judged with some softwares. So in conclusion, I would say like these videos that are being created and have very overly hyped on social media platform are just another AI generated video, and they were just overhyped and they were created to got attention, and they pretty much got successful in that. So in conclusion, I would say it's just an AI video and you should avoid purchasing or this item if it is available on any store. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.